out to Diesel and Doughnuts. Gonna stop and get fuel somewhere, but I think I pretty much got everything I need. Pretty stoked to get heading over to Pennsylvania. 3 o'clock in the morning. Heading to pick up my brother-in-law and then get over to Pennsylvania for Diesel and Doughnuts. Pretty excited. Went to bed at like 11:30, I think. Probably didn't go to sleep till midnight, but it's okay. We got some Monster, so. All right, and we're off. A little bit of caffeine. Let's go. So gnarly, dude. We got going by here. That's a big Cummins. I think it's sweet. Look at this. Look at that steering wheel, dude. It's aired all the way out. Look at the clearance up those steps. That's sweet. This thing's so sick. That's gnarly. Never seen this wheel before. I like the Ben Frank right here. Got some camber going. It's kind of gnarly. Decided to shoot over and check out Lime Ridge Automotive while I'm down here. You don't see this many trucks in New England are now on lots, especially these 3/4 tons. Got up at 2:30 this morning to head out up there, left at 3. It was an awesome turnout, the truck meet. It was super cool meeting Jack. I've been following him since the, I think the Ron Bergen dually he called it, but it was the LBZ dually Burgundy truck that he built and gave away. And it was super cool meeting Jake. Jake was awesome. These guys are like everything that they are online, they are in real life and more, so it's super cool meeting them. Met Jack's wife and their son. They're super awesome, and those trucks were crazy in person. I know like everyone says that seeing them in person is different than seeing them online, and it's definitely true. My top 2 trucks would definitely be Convict was there, which is the big gray F450, and then Misfit, the new red Denali, might be an AT4 Duramax. Those things were crazy in person. There was a big OBS with 28 by 16s on it over at Standout Specialties booth. That thing was crazy. And then an old dent side 6.7 on a 6.7 frame. That thing was sweet. So many cool trucks. I got a bunch of footage I'm gonna put all together so you guys can see it. I mean, you've already watched it at this point, but I tried to get footage, but at the same time I also tried to enjoy myself there. And definitely going back next year. Super inspired going back with the LBZ being a lot better condition, new paint, a bunch of crazy stuff. Hopefully the dually square body will go with me next time. Try to get more of my brother-in-laws to go with their trucks. So it was a super fun experience. Definitely would do it again. Want to go to more truck meets. Let me know in the comments what truck or what car there caught your eye the most in my footage. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys in the next video.